Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. So first off, I want to talk about S&P 500. The S&P 500 down like 0.5 today. The market just yet new opened, but the reasons for the downside price down, today's price downside is the main reason for it is there is a Supreme Court decision ahead of us today in like 2 hours maybe or 3 hours, something like that, and the markets are just fear about it and they are selling their stuff. Maybe hedge funds, maybe small investors. I don't think it's a hedge funds, but if the sorry, if the Supreme Court if the Supreme Court cancels the tariff situation, the tariffs have to be paid back to the countries. So the national debt will be increased. Well, if it increases, they have to print more money and to pay that debt, and it will be cause a little bit more inflation because that debt had to be borrowed by more interest or paid by the they have to be borrowed with the bigger interest rates, and one day they have to be print that money. So if they can't turn that, if they can't, how can I say it in English? If they can't turn that money in the circulation, the markets, if the tariff situation will be revoked, that was not a problem for the U.S. markets. It will be go higher in the later on because there's AI hype is occurring in the S&P 500 at the moment, and with the AI hype it will be go through like the all-time highs again, and this is nothing. The S&P have to be gain some much more momentum for it. It didn't started yet, but it will be. So we will be looking at it. If I have to talk about the Dow Jones is same with the S&P. They are all down because of the tariff situation. The Nasdaq also, the Nasdaq is in a triangle at the moment and surges in it. The tariff decision may be a short-term violation of this triangle. Maybe can we go through here and bounce back because there is a bullish trend in the US markets with the AI hype, especially with the Nasdaq. So expecting this levels will be surpassed and going through like bigger numbers. I will not give a goal for the markets at the moment because you have to see the breakout. But if you want to follow it by the weekly, it is follows its pattern, and with the pattern is in the bottom line. So maybe it's an opportunity for buy. Maybe who knows. I know, but I will not give a financial advice because it's risky for me. Well, if I had to talk about the gold surpassed it. This is weekly. I turned it to daily. Surpassed all-time high, going high. It can be go through like 4,980, like 5,000. So there's a little bit much more place to go, like 10%, 8%, and gold is still good in the commodities, especially if we compare it with the silver at the moment. But there is not much room for left to go because of gold, because it came up really much and this have to be stopped one day. So we will see what's going to be happen. If I talk, I don't want to talk about the silver because silver, this price increase is so absurd, and Warren Buffett have a quote: "Be greedy when the prices are down, and be fearful when the prices go up." Like, I mean, not the prices go up. I mean the long term, especially with the when the euphoria period begins. Well, I will. It means by this, he says with this quote, "Never buy, never be greedy at this point. Just be greedy at this point." Okay, I just want to talk about this. So this is my motto also. I wouldn't buy from here. I will never do leverage things from here because this is too much speculative and too much volatile. It will break psychology, and when you lose your psychology you will lose money, and I don't want to lose money. I just want to keep gaining it. So I'm gonna be stay safe at the moment. This is gambling, so I wouldn't never do it. If I had to go talk about the platinum seems that 2460 is the last level for the top. It seems so. Maybe this is a how can I say, little bit more not upside, not downside, the stable trend. It can be go through like this, and stuff. Platinum. If I have to talk about yes, the Bitcoin just surpassed the 94,000 level and it's going up and it breaks its Fibonacci level. So I mentioned about the Bitcoin a lot of times. If you want, you can look my videos behind of before. If you want, you can look at my videos like 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 5 days ago, 1 week, 2 weeks ago, and I said this is the bottom, going up from it. Okay, so but right now I'm going to say it can be go through like the 100,000 points with the half-month moving average. As you can see over here, Bitcoin had a price increasement trend starting from December 2024, and it break it at November 2025, and it seems it is going for the trend line. Also there is a half-month moving average at here, also with the trend line level, 100,000 level. So I'm going to talk about this. If you don't have a Bitcoin at the moment, Bitcoin is 96, almost 97,000 points, and the 100,000 levels is like 2% or 2.5% near it. So I would not buy in this moment because this is risky. I don't like risk. This is my motto. This is my investment style. And this is my speculation style. I don't like risk. If the price go down, I buy it. If the price go in danger, I will not buy it. I will see if it's going to surpass it or not. This is my motto. If you want, you can do it, or you can do whatever you want. This is your money. I respect all the investment styles and speculative styles. Everybody has its own style, but I'm telling it right now my style. Ethereum is also can be go through like the 3,732. This is a good sign, going up like 11%. XRP could also hit its downside trend top level and the half-month moving average weekly 234. It seems good. We will see about it. If I have to talk about the Monero, I'm going in weekly, and I want to see you this chart. This is Monero. The first time it hit its all-time high, 500 level. But in the first time, this is Monero. In the first time it hit its all-time high, 500 level, in December 2017. Also, it hit it in December 2021, and it hit it and break it 2025. This is so good because there is a that this and this formation happened like back in the gold. It break it in 2023, like 2024 in the beginning, and it going up. So my goal in the Monero in the technical analysis 2500, and it seems really good at the moment. What can I say for it? It's really good. Also, thank you for watching and see you all. I almost forgot it.